Listen, you deserve to walk in confidence with your head held high and a smile on your face because of your obedience and willingness to do what's right in God's eyesight. He see you. So he has blessed you with joy, peace, and happiness. Embrace that. Continue to walk with a smile on your face. Continue to walk with that joyful spirit. And be careful of the ones who come around you with their sorrows, their misfits, because that's not your load to carry. Remember, that's not your load to carry.